Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Matauhay with our lesson on concept of addition. This is our way of learning during disruption of classes. Okay, what is addition? Let's start with the problem. Mark has three mangoes. His sister gives him two more. How many mangoes does Mark have now? So let's solve this by understanding what addition really means is. We don't just memorize 3 plus 2 equals 5. We should understand it by seeing and doing it. And so here addition means putting things together, right? And to find out how many are there in all. So let's use pictures to solve this. So these are the mangoes of Mark. He has three mangoes, and these are the mangoes of her sister. She has two mangoes. How many mangoes altogether? So let's count: one, two, three, four, and five mangoes together. So this time, let's use counters to represent the mangoes. So it will help us see numbers being added. So these are the mangoes by Mark, and these are the mangoes by her sister. So there are three reds, and there are two blue counters. So how many counters all in all? So there are five counters all in all, which represents five mangoes all in all. So this help us see the numbers being added, so that we can write its number sentence. So we write it like this: 3 plus 2 equals 5. For elementary learners, we need to do it step by step. From pictures, from actual objects to pictures, then down to abstract, which is 3 plus 2 equals 5. So this is called the number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5 is the number sentence, and it shows the action of putting numbers together. So let's go back to the concept of addition. 3 and 2 here is called the addends, and 5 is called the sum. So 3 and 2 are addends, and 5 is the sum. Sum is the answer when we are putting things together, or when we are adding numbers. Now, we use mangoes, actual objects. We use pictures for the pictorial. We use counters, and we use counting. We count in order for us to add or put things together. So this helps learners understand what addition really means is, not just how to do it. For your problem set number one, you are going to create a problem and show at least three solutions on how to solve it involving addition. Put it in long bond paper. It should be handwritten and submit it before the midterm. Again, before the midterm. See you and enjoy learning at home. Bye bye.